Don't be afraid of a flip cup. This might be your boldest paint pour yet. Into my cup, I layered dark blue, light blue, purple, lavender, white, and a touch of black. Some layers included cell activator to invite those beautiful cells early on. Today's painting was all about movement and letting the paint reveal its own story. I started with a black base on a 16 by 20 canvas to set the mood for something cosmic. I flipped the cup directly onto the black base and boom! Instant splash and instant impact. As I lifted the cup, the paint spread like a galaxy bursting open. I let gravity guide the design by tilting slowly and intentionally. Flip cups can be unpredictable, but that's the beauty of it. You let go and the paint takes over. What came through this piece was something vast, electric, and what felt like cosmic beginnings. You could immediately see cells blooming across the surface, especially where the activator had time to rise through the layers. I used a torch to bring out even more details, and the canvas lit up with dimension. If you've been hesitant to try a flip cup, let this piece be your sign. Embrace the mess, trust the process, and see what shows up on your canvas. If you enjoyed this pour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new piece. And always remember, stay creative and keep painting.